This couple found a tiny puppy thrown away in the trash. Without a second thought, they brought it home, cleaned it up, and gently fed it. At first, the little pup was scared, but soon, it started wagging its tail like crazy every time they brought food. It didn't take long before it became best friends with their other puppies and even their cat. Thanks to this couple's kindness, the puppy found a new family, a second chance, and the love it always deserved. And if you believe every animal deserves love too, subscribe.